Good morning, happy Friday guys. How's everyone doing? Thank you again for tuning into my channel, and thank you so much for your support, comments, like, shares. Anyway, brought my mom here to a local park close to where we live for a little exercise, walking. It is a great day today. The sun is out and it's gonna be really warm again. But anyway, what is your plan for today? Nothing much for me, just gonna go do some grocery shopping later. That's it actually. Okay guys, nothing much. I just went and finished grocery shopping. Got a lot of things today. So I just want to end my blog for today here. Nothing much. So I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you later. Thank you again for your subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you soon. Bye.